you, it's Tia back with another video. I'm so excited because I actually have some footage of another setup. Yes. I got as much footage as I possibly could, being just me, the mother of the party, and her friend. So the theme is Winter Wonderland. It's a 1-year-old's birthday party. It came out really cute. I have footage showing you pre-setup, like what I did at home. I think I made like a photo frame signage thingy. Put a bunch of stuff together. There's a lot of unboxing items that I purchased for this event. If you have questions about where I got the stuff from, hit me up at the end in my comments. I have 2 backdrops. I didn't show you the full main backdrop. One day I will get footage of that one, but I did a photo backdrop similar to the Sweet 16 that I just did. The only issue with that one is that it fell down. I did all the stuff, like the majority of stuff, the day before the party, and when I came back in that morning of, that whole backdrop fell down, so I had to fix it. That was a pain in the tuchus. And then I have set up of some tables. I didn't show any breakdown. We'll do that later. I was hanging stuff from like ceilings and stuff, like I'm on ladders. And again, I'm working with the 1-year-old's mother and her friend. I had no one else there but just us 3. So I think it came out really well, especially for this type of theme. Like when you think of winter birthday parties, you think of like Frozen, right? And everything that I put in for like a 1-year-old winter, like Wonderland and things like that, it was like Frozen everything. So some of the colors are similar to Frozen, but it's not a Frozen party. It is not. It is a Winter Wonderland for kids. I guess that was like a big deal or big thing going on. But here's the good thing, I caught a lot of deals and a lot of sales since this was after Christmas. So I had a lot of luck of finding stuff online. Not so much around stores near me. Everything was pretty much set for Valentine's Day and spring. Some places even had spring out. But yeah, okay, enough talking. Stop it. Let's see it. Let's check it out.
We should just put the glitter on the glue. Boom.
I know.
You're just like,
is the camera on?
I don't know. That's just extra.
Ooh, it's cute. All right, we gotta move these down. Bam.
Boom. Look at this, Mom. I have the glitter, Mommy.
I did too, the blue glitter.
I have the clear glitter.
Well, mine is colored glitter.
I just popped.
Oh,
Mod Podge.
wait, Mod Podge. Wait. Let me see. Where'd it go? Flake. Blanca. and then you bend it like that. And then you take the other side and so I came in today and someone opened this door. This got all tangled up. So I might take this down because it's way too hard to untangle. This is just the food table anyway. We have our balloon, huge balloon towers in. This is a 1-year-old's birthday, by the way. And then look, this fell down. So it has adhesive strips and I added extra tape and it still fell down. So now I have to fix that. Pretty sad about it. But we have the black chairs in. We have to add more plates and this stuff here is extra. This is just extra stuff. We have this up. So how did you like it? I was excited that I got more footage. I never get to have footage because I'm usually busy, but being able to set up the day before and not the day of gave me a little bit of leeway to actually record and get footage. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you later.